Another question that has come up recently is how to clean the brush when it's been using, I don't know, black. It's a little harder than color because the black that we use in this studio is a real kind of black. So I want to go through this with both brushes, the round one and the flat one, which is dedicated to black. So this is the brush that I used for the black, and you can see maybe that it's quite black. So first we make a palm. The water can be hot or it can be cold. This water today is quite cold, but we're going to try it anyway. So I've gone around and around and around in the palm of my hand, and now I'm going to do a more specific inside cleaning. Go along like this and rotate the brush like this, and then push it in, which will be a little bit hard because the outside here and the inside here are quite different. The outside here with these brushes is soft, but inside there's well, maybe the horse's hair is hard. And you make a ball like this, and it can be quite hard. Then, now all of the sumi, all of the black must be gone. But we'll see. I'll put it here in my hand and squeeze it like this, and there's no black. No, it's clean. It's clean. This is a little harder to use because it's flat. However, it's used only for black. It's never used for any other color. So I'm not going to try and remove every atom of black. Not quite. It's clean. If you can do that, you can certainly easily clean, I know, several hundred colors later. Thank you.